In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Afterpay on Uber Eats and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option to use Afterpay as a payment method on your Uber Eats orders. So first, if you try to go over to the Uber Eats app and you proceed to check out after you add all the stuff that you want to get in your cart, you will notice that Afterpay is not available from the list of payment methods, regardless of your region. And if you try to open the latest version of the Afterpay mobile app instead, and you look through all of the stores, all of the retailers, you will not be able to find Uber Eats. So, sadly, unfortunately, as of today, Uber Eats does not directly accept Afterpay as a payment method. However, there are some more workarounds that you can consider. So, first, you can either try opening the latest version of the Afterpay website or mobile app and looking for Uber Eats gift cards. If you find a gift card, then you can just acquire the gift card through Afterpay and redeem the amount on the gift card inside of Uber Eats before placing your order. Alternatively, if you cannot find Uber Eats gift card, then you can also try using Apple Pay or Google Pay. When you make your order, you will need the Afterpay card, and all that you have to do is register the Afterpay card to one of those two digital wallets, and when you proceed to checkout on Uber Eats, make sure that you select either Google Pay or Apple Pay as the payment method, and you will be able to select the Afterpay card as the actual form of payment, and then you can manage the installments on the actual Afterpay mobile app. So like I said, because you can't use it directly on Uber Eats, you need to choose one of these workarounds according to what is available on you. You can either choose the gift card or the option to use a digital wallet as payment. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to use Afterpay on Uber Eats. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of doing this and using Afterpay as the payment method. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.